Hey guys, it is the Green Brick here, and today I'm with this Lego candy machine. So this candy machine does not dispense like normal candies. It spits out Lego candies, and so let's test it. So it's got two things inside of it. It's loaded with two candies, well, Lego candies. Get this coin here. And you can press this coin in, and if you see there, you've got a Lego candy. It's made of 2 bricks. And then to reset it, you press this piece in, and then you press the coin back in, and then another thing will come out. And yeah, that's basically it. And this is a credit card, so I'll show you that in a second. And it's the key to get the coins out. Press it into that hole, pull out. There. Both coins fell out of there. And yeah, and reloading. I could pull this off with my hands, but I'm just gonna use this thing for coolness. And place these two candies into the. I pushed the one in wrong. Okay, now if I just place these in, then place the lid back on, and we're back to them. And this is a thing that I call credit card mode. And when you press this credit card in, you get one. And then you press it back in. You press the credit card back in again, and you get another candy. So basically very simple. And in that one, you don't need to use the coins and like get the coins back. So I just press this back in there, and yeah. That was my Lego candy machine, partially inspired by Sally Plays, because she does a lot of candy machines. I think, yeah, she's just like, she makes really good candy machines. But yeah, hope you liked the candy machine Sally Plays. Yeah, check out her channel, by the way. Yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.